tapusin natin itong putang inang problema ng Pilipinas. Until
Can
now.
can we excuse the President? Okay. Sige, Mr. President, by unanimous position, you are now excused from the hearing. Thank you for
Ayoko, sir.
attending. Thank you, sir. Thank you na, sir. Whether you like it or not, kasi itong mga kaibigan niyo po rito, gusto na po kayong ipa-relax po, Mr. President.
Ito na kasi yung forum na maybe binigyan ako ng panahon ng Panginoong Diyos na makarating dito. And I can talk publicly. Alam naman lahat ng mayors yan. Kulang talaga ang suporta. Ang pulis ko, hanggang sweldo lang yan. May pag-utos, walang gasolina, walang pang-follow up.
Mr. President, Mr. Chairman, I think it's majority of the members of this committee, Senator Robinson Padilla, Senator Bongo,
Yes, I
yours
understand.
truly,
I understand.
and
I understand.
even Senator Villanueva. I would like to excuse the President
Yes, okay.
from
We
this hearing.
suspend so that the President can
Ayaw.
Ayaw
Ayaw ko kasi there are so many questions that would be left unanswered.
We suspend our hearing.
Sir, pag wala ng question,
Tapusin natin itong putang inang problema ng Pilipinas.